Hi parents, I hope you are doing well. I thought making a video would be the best way and the easiest way to give you an idea of what a day in virtual learning will look like for your child. So each day I will send your child an email that will have an agenda that's similar to this. It will give them kind of a to-do list throughout the day. After they look at what their assignments are, they will then go to Schoology. They know how to do this. They will go to the Courses tab. Then they will go into the elementary attendance. I will put all assignments in elementary attendance. So then they will click on the attendance class and it will take them into that class. As you can see, I have days listed. All assignments for Tuesday will be in this Tuesday folder and Wednesday in this Wednesday folder. Your child won't be able to see all those folders until I make them public. Currently, they can only see Tuesday's learning activities. So to get into the folder, you'll just click on Tuesday, March 24th. And then all of their things are listed here. First, they will do an attendance check-in. I will usually write a little morning message. They might show a video, but they'll just check in and write a comment. Sometimes they might actually insert a video. To get back to the attendance class, they can hit the back button. Then there's a link for questions that they might have for me during the day or while they are working. And if they would also like to request a video conference with me, we can set that up. Once a conference is scheduled, all conferences can be found on the left menu bar under Conferences. We practice this at school and one evening from home, so your child knows how to do this. Next, the assignments will be categorized by subjects. They will click on the folder, and inside will be their lesson for that day. In addition to these 4 subjects, there will be a brain break, a specials folder where art, music, and PE will put assignments, and there will be a read aloud. I will do a read aloud each day. Parents, this is a changing time for all of us. I would really appreciate feedback, struggles your students might be having, or questions you may have. I am easily reached through my email, and I can give you a quick response. Please let me know if you have any questions or things that might be going well for you. Thank you.